Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the most innovative footwear designs out there, the Nike Go FlyEase Easy On/Off shoes. If you're looking for convenience and comfort in every step, this might just be the perfect fit for you.
Stick around as we explore what makes these shoes stand out from the rest.
Let's kick things off with what makes the Nike Go FlyEase so special. Designed with practicality in mind, these shoes redefine the ease of putting on and taking off footwear. No more fussing with laces. The unique hinge design at the heel allows you to step in effortlessly and secure your foot with a simple step down. The heel stays open until you're ready to step in, and then it snaps back securely, providing a snug fit without the need to tie laces. It's a game changer for those who value both style and functionality. Now, let's talk about the features that make these shoes not only convenient but also comfortable. The upper is crafted from airy fabric, ensuring breathability throughout the day. No-zoo overlays add structure and stability, while the plush cushioned foam midsole offers a smooth, cushioned feel with every step. On the bottom, you have a grippy rubber outsole with the iconic swoosh design, providing excellent traction and durability. Whether you're on the move or just taking it easy, these shoes have got you covered. From a design perspective, Nike has nailed it with the Go FlyEase. The smoky mauve, summit white, and baroque brown color scheme gives it a modern and versatile look, perfect for various outfits and occasions. The seamless integration of functionality and style is what sets these shoes apart. When it comes to performance, these shoes deliver. Whether you're walking, running errands, or just hanging out, the Nike Go FlyEase provides exceptional comfort and support. The easy-on design means you can slip them on in seconds and be on your way. In conclusion, the Nike Go FlyEase Easy On/Off shoes are a standout choice for anyone looking to simplify their footwear experience without compromising on style or comfort. With its innovative design, breathable materials, and reliable performance, it's no wonder these have become a favorite among those who value convenience and quality. That wraps up our review of the Nike Go FlyEase Easy On/Off shoes. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews like this. Let us know in the comments if you've tried these shoes or if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.